Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Destination. Once again, I am back with weekly guidance. Here we shall check what is the energy of the week, what kind of energy is approaching, and what kind of attitude we should carry in order to make our week smooth, in order to make our week successful. So, let us start the reading. We are having here three piles, pile 1, 2 and 3. You can select any one of your pile and you can select more than one pile also. Think of a situation or ask the guidance from your angels, spirit guides. They will guide you which pile is going to give you the correct picture of your coming week so that you can have the opportunity to make it better. So chalo, let us start the reading. We will start from the pile 1. So people who have selected pile 1 we are having 3 of cups and the morality for the coming week. So here the coming week is related to, I think, lot of celebration, some gathering, some good news and some balance also. Somewhere you need to understand what is the requirement of this celebration. Without reason, if you are celebrating, so some little hard time some people may get, but this coming week the whole energy, it is talking about lot of this mental issues, and there you need to find out which issue you need to treat first and which one is the second. If you will be able to succeed while treating those thoughts, so definitely this 3 of cups celebration gathering kind of situation may come. Relationship wise, I feel celebration as well as hard time also it is there. So you need to understand things are not only black and white, you have to think beyond that also. So if you are thinking you are only right, so this kind of hard situation may come. If you are ready to compromise, if you will try to understand others thought also, little flexibility if you are bringing in yourself, so this kind of happy moment will come, because I am seeing good time is there. You may meet someone very special, so that kind of thing also I am just seeing. While the relationship front, career front also I am seeing little hard, but yes, celebration is there. Why I am saying little hard? You need discipline, you need clarity, because if you will just think what you are thinking only that is correct, so that is going to be wrong. You need to consider the others view also. So the group work, the unity work, that will be fruitful for you. So the coming week, try to work in a group, try to work with the people, try to communicate with the people well, so that others should not get hurt. Because if you will hurt others, others also going to give you the same thing. So just try to understand the situation. If you want a situation like this, you have to connect with the people with the open heart, with the open mind, so that you can understand the what others are saying. So your neutral attitude, I would say, that is necessary. People who have selected card 1, so for you good news is also coming. Little hard time, some communication, some order kind of thing, some decision kind of thing may come, but finally if you'll accept that happily, you are going to celebrate that time. So overall the energy for the people who have selected card 1, the pile 1, energies are mixed, little hard, but celebration is also there. So black and white, both sides of the life you are going to see in this coming week. Be positive, be neutral, open your mind and try to understand others perspective also. Otherwise people may leave you and go and you have to stay alone. So this is the possibility I am seeing in the coming week. So coming week energy, I would say little hard, mental strain is there, but you need people to support, then only you will have the clarity. So this is the pile number 1. I hope the reading has resonated with you. Let's move to the pile number 2. Pile number 2 who have selected, for the you it has come 8 of cups and the burden. Can you see both the cards seems to be little hard for you. Here this mental burden it is talking about. Lot of burden you are carrying on your mind, which you are unable to carry because you have to go long way. So you have to leave some burden, you have to leave some responsibility, you have to leave some obligation, then only you will be able to climb up. Here also the person is leaving everything and the person is going. So what I would say, please do not get affected by this eclipse. For some people, I feel in their life the eclipse kind of situation might have come, but yes, you should not leave your land, because for you this many good stuff it is already displayed. Thing is like, you need to understand in which way or what way you are going to utilize this thing. If you do not have this skill, whole time you have to walk and you have to go away. So try to think, try to see the good stuff whatever it is behind you also, because what you are doing, you are simply saying no and you are going. That attitude is not going to help you. Both the card, if you'll just look at carefully, they are saying please leave your burden, you have to go long way. Forget about to impress others. Think about yourself. It is your time. If you are having health issues, forget about others' responsibility. First, take care of yourself. Otherwise, you will look like this tired person, or you will look like this person. Person is not happy and just going away, leaving everything and going away. So finally, what you will feel when you will become more sick, or when you will get lot of burden, what finally you are going to feel, people are not there for you, simply these are kind of burden thing and better to leave and go somewhere else. You may feel try to stay alone for some time because you need some meditation kind of thing. You need to understand exactly what is happening around you, what is happening inside your mind. So this kind of thoughts may come, so little hard time I would say, might be just because of travel thing, or some traveling kind of thing is getting you irritated, giving you trouble, giving you anxiety. So that also possibility I am seeing. Might be you had planned somewhere to go, and just because of current situation you could not do that. So that financial burden, it is already there and you are unable to understand now what is to be done. Or might be you are planning to go somewhere, you had already planned everything and things are not working out. Even though you are having the sufficient funds or all the facility, you are not able to enjoy this thing. So this is the possibility also I am getting from the cards. Career front, if I will talk about people who had selected pile 2, I feel some movement is approaching to you, or you wanted to move out from this situation. Somewhere you are unable to tolerate this current situation and you wanted to come out. For that, what you have to do, you have to finish your table pending work, your desk work has to be finished. Once review need to be done, and whatever the important things, better to finish and try to wind up your stuff. Only carry those stuff which is required, otherwise your next journey also, the next place also, it is going to create hassle for you, it is going to create clutter for you, because you had carried out so many useless stuff also with you which is not at all required. So just think of that, journey is going to be long, the place is going to be new, you are approaching towards the new place. Here can you see the person is thinking to go here, and here the person is already approaching. So if you planned to go somewhere, you have to think of your baggage also, what kind of baggage you are carrying. Shouldn't happen you will go here and you will meet this person and the person is not ready to accept you, or might be you are having so much of luggage, so much of baggage is there, which the person will say okay, we are not ready to accept all this thing, you should have come with little stuff. So this kind of situation, this kind of probability I am seeing, the overall energy is like that, very slow, kind of very painful I would say. Let go kind of energy I am seeing. Whatever the thing you are carrying, the emotionally, financially, mentally, better to leave all that. Those things are not at all working for you. Sit and think whether the things are working for you or not, and if you feel, if your instinct is saying this is not working, immediately leave those stuff and just move forward. No need to carry such negativity. Even though if you want to stay here, look for the other burden, because you are having only 8 cups. So if you more than that things you are carrying, so definitely you have to pour down, so something has to be wasted. So for some people I am seeing some financial expenses or emotional loss also I am seeing. So this is the energy for the pile 2. I hope your people will take care. Nothing very negative, little mentally you need to be very much stable and you have to work on your energies. Definitely time seems to be little hard, but you are quite strong, you can manage. This is what I know. So let's move to the third pile. Let's see what the third pile is talking about. So this is the pile number 3 card. Pile number 3 is starting with 7 of Pentacles and the Lovers. Here when you'll mix up all the energies, the first thought it is coming in my mind might be still you are not confident on your relationship. Still doubts are coming. You are not having confidence or trust on your existing relationship, and there you are lacking, you are missing the faith, and it is creating a problem for you. In relationship front I feel might be it is connected with the two people, something you are waiting with, as if this person will get something and it will give it to you. So this kind of energy also I am seeing very clearly, but you have to see here. I feel you are losing the faith, but what I feel, the other person is also equally concerned about the whole situation. It is not like only you had accepted as a couple or as a partner. This person is also equally worried. Only the difference is you might be showing more and the other person is not able to show, because his face is the opposite side, and might be you are not able to understand what this person might be going through. Might be he is having, I think, one of the partner, one of the couple, or I would say one of your connection where you are dealing with the people, one of the person definitely must be having some financial issues, and they are struggling on that. They are trying to take back, they are trying to take back the control of their finances, or somewhere their money is stuck. For that reason they are also little worried. So this financial worry kind of thing I am just seeing. So I think this is your responsibility to help this person, because he or she is your partner. You had selected that partner, so now you cannot show you are not at all faithful, because somewhere I am feeling, though you people are partners or the couple, somewhere I am just seeing lacking of faith, lacking of confidence in your relationship. So for the couples or for the business front or for the career front, anything, wherever you are dealing with more than one people, where the pair kind of thing it is getting created, there definitely you should be having faith on your partner. One thing, other thing, you should work in a unity. At least you can ask what that person is going through. You should understand what the person's situation is. Number 3, if the person is seeking help, definitely you should extend your help, because after some time you will see the help which you had extended, later on the same kind of help you may also need, or might be your help return came in a very positive way. It came with lot of blessings, lot of gratitude, lot of goodness. So the career front or business front, if I will say, I will just talk about, might be I think right now you should wait for the partnership, or you should wait to join something new organization if you're planning to do, because somewhere I feel that things will not work out. You might get offer letter or something, but the current scenario is also like that. The 7 of Pentacles situation it is talking about, so little delay may happen. Still you have to wait. If you are thinking to go for the investment, wait for some time. Or if you wanted to invest, spend or invest in a group, you can just take the help of your partner also. Some people may plan for investment, may plan to buy some property or something, making some asset with the help of their partners. So this is the another probability also I am seeing. Relationship wise, I had already said lack of faith I was seeing. So please take care of your faith, because you had only selected this partner, no one else has selected. So I think the your integrity is in doubt, so that part you have to take care. So this is the pile number 3. This kind of energies I am getting for this coming week. I hope the reading has resonated with you. If so, do let us know. Like and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more videos. And before closing, I would like to convey my good wishes to each and every person, whoever is watching this video. Be positive, be faithful, because the success is going to be with you only. Little faith is required. Thank you so much.